out of their 20, while Petron still nothing throughout the game.
So welcome to the third quarter. Alaska, by the way, in fighting red, Petron in immaculate white. On the floor for the Aces, Baguio, Dozier, Toss, De La Cruz, and Casio. It's an attempt by Cyrus. Rebound, Junmar. And he is with Denok, who had 13 points in a quality performance in the first half. Jesse Tubin, Lassiter's been shooting well. And Ronaldo Bachman, they're very talented and versatile import. Here's Bachman, sends it outside. Lassiter, good entry pass for Junmar.
You get that foul, and you said good entry pass.
Very well. As for Petron naman, they just have to come out with more energy to maximize fast break points and second chance points, and they should be able to make their free throws. Balik sa inyo.
Salamat, Erika. Yan ang pag-usapan during that halftime break.
Sabi na, make their free throws. And nag-mintis na naman si Junmar as a whole. Petron already 2 out of 8.
If this is going to be a low-scoring game and then walang makakalayo, those free throws will be so critical.
Masakit yun.
Nasa mga unang bagay pa rin tayo ng third